Okay, everyone, so let's get started with the first line. The first line of the song goes like this. So basically the same progression of tabs is played twice. Give a stroke on 9th fret of 2nd string, 9 and then 11, 11 and slide down to 12, another stroke on 12, 2 strokes on 11 and hammer on 12. What you're playing is, play this line one more time. Right, now let's move forward. Next line goes like this. Okay, so what you're playing for the first line is, this is the line Jhoot Sach Ka Wahaan. So again starts on 9th fret of 2nd string, 11, 11 and slide down to 12, give a stroke on 12, another stroke, 11, then hammer and pull up on 12, slide up to 9. Like this. Right, then next line is, again starts on 9th fret of 2nd string, 11, 2 strokes on 12 and slide down to 14, 12, 2 strokes on 11. Like this. Right, I hope you got that. Now moving forward, the next line goes like this. So give a stroke on 12th fret of 2nd string, 9 of 1st, 11, 11 and pull it up on 9, again a stroke on 9, 11, 14, again 14, 12, 11, 9, then 12 of 2nd, then 9 and hammer on pull off on 11 of 1st string. So what you're playing for this line is, right, I hope you got that. So the next line goes like this. Right, give a stroke on 9th fret of 2nd string, 2 strokes on 11 and slide down to 12, again a stroke on 12, another stroke on 12, 11, 12, then 11 of 1st, again 12 of 2nd and 11 of 2nd, then 9, 12, 11. Right, so what you are playing for this line is, right, I hope you got that. Now let's move forward and play the next line, Chal Jaate Hai. It goes like this. Right, so give a stroke on 11th fret of 2nd string, slide down to 12, 11, 9, 12, 11, 9, 11, 12, then 14 of 1st, 12 of 2nd, 12 of 1st, 11, then 9 and hammer on pull off on 11, right? So what you're playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Now again let's move forward. Next line is okay. So again it starts on 11th fret of second string, slide down to 12, 11, 9, 12, 11, 9, then 11 of third, 2 strokes, then 14 of second, then 12 and pull it off on 11, again 12 and 9. So what you're playing for this line is right. Again repeat these lines. Right, I hope you got that. Now let's move forward and play the next stanza, which starts like this. So it starts on 12th fret of second string, then 11 of first, pull it off on 9, 14, 12, 11, then 11 and slide down to 14, again 11 of first, then 12 of second, 11 of second, again 2 strokes on 12 of second, 11 of first and slide up to 9, 12, 11. It is not as complicated as it looks. What you're playing for this line is you have to play this line one more time. So let's play it together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Now the next line goes like this. So it starts on 11th fret of first string, slide down to 12, 11, 9, again 11 and slide down to 12, 11, 9, again 11, 9, 7, 7 and hammer and pull off on 9, 6, 7, 9. Right, so what you're playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Now you have to again play Chal, Jaate. So I have already explained the types for these lines, and yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Chal, Jaate. I hope this video was helpful in the types for that song. For any doubts, queries or requests, get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video guys, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Right, thank you guys, thanks for watching.